Taking a look at today's energy markets, let's focus on natural gas futures as they're realizing some significantly higher price action and some volatility today. We're looking at natural gas futures trading significantly higher, particularly when we look at that February contract, up about 30% today, currently priced at 6.80 in the futures market, realizing a substantial move higher as we move towards the February expiration and into March. But when you look at it from a longer term perspective, this is the highest level going back to the end of 2022 for natural gas price action. So it's better than 3-year high in the price action for natural gas on that front month future. Now, looking at the driving factors, it's really all about the freezing temperatures here in the United States as they continue to move through the middle to the east coast of the United States, having a significant impact. A lot of power outages, temperatures coming in at or below, I should say, what was expected going into this storm. I think the storm certainly appears to have been as severe as what was anticipated, and that's having a significant impact as to concerns about short-term production, supply, and the substantial demand. And that's why I think you're seeing the markets pricing in this type of scenario when you look at that February contract trading up to the highest level in almost 3 years and up almost 30% today. Now, looking at the other contracts as we move towards March being the lead, March is up about 8% today as we continue to see those futures markets moving higher. Now, what is interesting is you're seeing those front couple of month futures in backwardation before you see the curve shift and go back towards what would be considered a little bit more normal curve. So we're looking at that February-March spread, very substantial backwardation, and then the March to April spread, slight backwardation, and then we see it kind of bottom in April, and then you see the premium getting put back in the futures as we move into the summer. So demand on the short end of the curve is substantial. We're seeing a big move in that February contract, also in March and April as well, as price action in natural gas continues to realize higher levels.